The 2025 Audi R8 GT is a symphony of form and function, a masterpiece of engineering and design. Its sleek, aggressive silhouette is a testament to Audi's commitment to performance and aesthetics. The iconic R8 design DNA is evident, yet the GT takes it to an even more extreme level. Sharper lines, larger intakes, and a more assertive stance signal the car's intent. Step inside the R8 GT, and you're enveloped in a cockpit that's both luxurious and performance-oriented. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout. The driver-focused layout ensures that every control is within easy reach. The digital instrument cluster is highly customizable, providing essential information at a glance. Despite its sporting character, the R8 GT offers a surprising level of comfort and refinement. Under the rear mid-engine lies a symphony of power and precision. A naturally aspirated V10 engine delivers a spine-tingling soundtrack and breathtaking acceleration. The R8 GT's handling is razor-sharp, thanks to advanced suspension technology and quattro all-wheel drive. Every turn is a revelation, inspiring confidence and exhilaration. The carbon ceramic brakes bring this beast to a stop with incredible force. The R8 GT is packed with cutting-edge technology. Audi's virtual cockpit takes center stage, providing a customizable display for essential information. The car's lightweight construction, extensive use of carbon fiber, and aerodynamic optimizations contribute to its exceptional performance and efficiency. The R8 GT is more than just a supercar, it's a technological marvel. The 2025 Audi R8 GT is a pure driving machine, a car that connects the driver to the road in a way few others can. It's a testament to Audi's engineering prowess and a celebration of the internal combustion engine. This is a car for the discerning enthusiast who demands the ultimate driving experience.